things we can talk about in your consultation with us is Amazon's failure to account for the inventory you sent into FBA or to do what Amazon is required to do under your contract with Amazon, generally called the Terms of Service. The formal name is the Business Solutions Agreement. And during our consultation, what I'll review with you is how you sent the products to Amazon, which courier you used, how the products were labeled, did you comport with Amazon's requirements, and whether you did or you didn't, how you can best address Amazon to try and persuade Amazon to either electronically increase your inventory to where it should be, or to pay you the money that you're owed, which is basically FBA sale price less FBA costs. We can talk about all of this during your consultation.